Percentage, base, and rate. We need to understand what percent means. The word percent means per 100. So 40% means 40 out of 100. Next, we convert the percent into a decimal. To do that, we divide 40 by 100, which gives us 0.40. Now we multiply the decimal by the number we are finding the percent of, which is 250. So we compute 0.40 250 100. Therefore, 40% of 250 is 100. Today I will explain how to solve the problem. 45 is 15% of what number? First, we use the percent equation. In this problem, 45 is the part and 15% is the percent. Next, we convert 15% into a decimal, which is 0.15. Then we write the equation. 45 equals 0.15 times the whole number. To find the whole number, we divide 45 by 0.15. 45 divided by 0.15 equals 300. Therefore, 45 is 15% of 300. 18 is what percent of 60? I will explain how to find what percent 18 is of 60. In this problem, 18 is the part and 60 is the whole. Next, we divide the part by the whole. So we compute 18 divided by 60, which equals 0.3. Then we multiply 0.3 by 100 to convert it to a percent. 0.3 times 100 equals 30. Therefore, 18 is 30% of 60. I will explain how to find the discount amount of a bag that costs Philippine peso 500 with a 20% discount. First, we identify the original price, which is Philippine peso 500. Next, we identify the discount rate, which is 20%. Then we convert 20% into a decimal, which is 0.20. After that, we multiply the original price by the decimal to find the discount amount. So we compute 0.20 times 500, which equals 100. Therefore, the discount amount is Philippine peso 100. I will explain how to find the percent score of a student who scored 45 out of 50. First, we use the percent formula. Percent equals part divided by whole times 100. Here, the part is 45 and the whole is 50. Next, we divide 45 by 50, which gives 0.9. Finally, we multiply 0.9 by 100 to convert it to a percent, which gives 90%. Therefore, the student scored 90% on the test.